Hey everyone, Greg with Drifter Journey. Today we got a special video for you and a discount down in the description. But we are going to be showing you how to inflate the Further Customs Laguna 330. It is 6:58 in the morning. We're going to see how long it takes. I'm going to show you the process. So let's get into it. Alright, first step is going to be to open it up. And this is only the third time I've done this. And I don't know if I'll refer to the instructions. My quality packing with socks to protect stuff, but we got the transom wheels in here. And I'll get the oars out. The Bimini top posts. Try not to wake up all the neighbors. The UV cover, the bench seat. Okay, so now we are down to the boat. So this is the top. Put it off to the side, and I think I'm going to do the reverse of what it tells you. I need to be near power because I'm going to cheat. So, just gonna roll the bag over. Lift it off, take the seats, put them to the side. And then, I'm gonna roll it out here. I don't know why I put it so far from the car. There's the floor. Okay, so there are 4 fill spots for the catamaran section. Those go to 3.5 pounds, and then the floor goes to 10 pounds. So what it says to do is fill up these first. What I saw in another video was to fill them most of the way and then put the seats on so that it's easier to get the seats stretched across. So we're going to do it that way. Hey, good morning, neighbors. So next we're going to put the floor in. I got all the side tubes soft still. You're going to want to tuck that up under these rails. And then it said to leave a small gap at the rear. So I'm just gonna make sure that's all shoved in there. So I'm gonna inflate the floor to 10. And so for the sake of timing this, while the floor is pumping up, I'm gonna install the seats. And I'm actually making it harder on myself because everything's too far away from the truck right this second. Okay, so then top up your 4 to 3.5. And while you're doing that, assemble the top. You gotta assemble these 3 into your frame, and then make sure your buttons are facing the right way for these. It showed to slide them in the instructions, but I couldn't figure out how to do that because it didn't seem like it made the curve. So it would be much easier with a helper, but it is doable on your own. Okay, so now I just flip it over and connect it. Okay, so your last thing to do would be to flip the top up and strap it down, pretty self-explanatory, and then add any of your accessories. Put whatever propulsion system you're doing on there. And we are at 28 minutes on the 3rd try, solo mostly, except for the Bimini. So, less than a half hour, you're ready to go. Check out the other videos. We're going to get into some adventures here in Mexico. And thanks for watching.